After more than a decade of undersupply in housing, the dial is turning and Fianna Fáil has got Ireland back building again. We know everyone isn't feeling the benefit just yet, and giving more first-time buyers the opportunity to buy a home at a price they can afford is Fianna Fáil's absolute priority. Over the last 4 years, Fianna Fáil has introduced the most comprehensive affordable housing schemes in the history of the state. These schemes give house hunters the opportunity to buy a new home at a reduced price, with the government helping to bridge the gap. Starting from a base of zero, by the end of this year, more than 12,000 affordable homes have been delivered. There are thousands more in the pipeline, and our plan is to provide 50,000 more of these cheaper homes for first-time buyers over the next 5 years. A vote for Fianna Fáil is a vote for the only party taking real action to support first-time buyers.